Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to the beautiful island of Culebra, which is a little island off of the eastern coast of Puerto Rico. If you have not already, make sure that you check out our Vieques vlog because that has all of the information about the ferry. Basically, we're going to be doing an hour and 15-minute car ride to Ceiba, where the ferry terminal is. So let's go. They raised parking prices, so it's now $15 a day, so we had to pay $30 for 2 days. I wanted to include the map, so feel free to pause here and see a map of the island and a map of the little downtown. A little beach where you can wait while I wait for Anthony to pick up the UTV. There is a little airport if you have the money to pay and you want to avoid any seasickness. But remember, the ferry is about $2.50 one way, so make your choice. Here we are arriving at Playa Flamengo. It cost us $9 to get in, but there was bathroom facilities and it's well worth it. A lot of people say this is the most beautiful beach in Puerto Rico, and I can attest it is very beautiful. The water is so blue and the sand is so soft. Definitely worth it, but it is definitely crowded as it's a tourist attraction. But don't worry, I've got another beach coming up that I will show you that is more private and I think just as beautiful. Also, they've got a few little kiosks right there, which were super helpful on a hot day because they sell drinks, water, soda, and empanadas, sandwiches, pinchos, other things like that, and have a nice little seating area. Here we are arriving at Zoni Beach. It's about a 15-minute golf cart ride from the downtown. If you had a Jeep, it would definitely be faster, and we were the only golf cart there, but we did make it. There is a pretty significant hill, as you could see from the footage, but the views are truly breathtaking, and it was really peaceful. You don't have to pay like you do at Flamenco Beach, and there's just a peacefulness to it, so I would definitely recommend getting to see a different part of the island and going out to Zoni Beach. This is our Airbnb. The AC is already on. Little kitchen area. That's nice, they got a lot of stuff. Sitting. Oh, a nice big TV. The bed. and towels. Very burnt. The bathroom was very pretty. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, this is very nice. And there's a little outdoor section right here, which I also filmed the whole backyard. Oh, this is nice though, so bugs can't get in. We can sit here, and there's an upstairs that I will make sure to explore. These chairs here are for guests to use, so that was super clutch because we were able to bring those to the beach and use them during the day. We are on the roof of our Airbnb. We are about to go into the little town area to go and get some food. We've had a beautiful day, but it's been really, really, really hot. So we definitely need something to drink and eat. Good morning. It is now Sunday, but I wanted to give you a rundown of yesterday because, as I said, you have to take about a 1-hour ferry, and the waters were really choppy yesterday, so I got pretty sick. So be prepared if you're somebody that gets motion sickness easily. You might want to be prepared, have something with you. Anthony then went and he got our golf cart. It took maybe 30-ish minutes. So by the time we got to the beach, it was a little bit after 12. We went to Flamingo Beach and it was beautiful. The sand was incredible. So white, but also soft, smooth, but it was really, really hot. Like almost 100 degrees. So we stayed until about 2:30 because you do have to pay. It was $9 for the both of us. We paid that, and then we stopped. Anthony wanted the empanadas there, and they were pretty good. You know, they do have a nice food stand, so we were able to get water and Diet Cokes as well because you need to make sure you're staying hydrated in the heat. Then we went over to Zony Beach, which to get there is a mission. But our golf cart did make it. If you have a Jeep, you know, or a bigger car, you will be more than fine. And with a UTV, as we proved, it did work. But it's very hilly to get there. Beautiful though at the end, and so many less people. Flamingo Beach is very crowded, whereas Zony Beach had maybe like 5 other cars, not a lot of people. So I really liked that about it, but there is coral in the water, so you have to be very careful with that, and you want to obviously also respect the ecosystem. And then we came back, we showered at our Airbnb, really beautiful, definitely would recommend here. There were last night some roaches in the kitchen area, but to us, honestly, you know, that's kind of island life, so not a huge deal. And then what else did we do? So when I had looked up a lot of the other beaches here, it seemed like they were really rocky, and I wasn't looking for rocky beaches, so that's why we only went to those 2, and we wanted to kind of relax. Then we went to dinner. We actually sat down. There's really not a lot of restaurants, so we sat down at Dingy Docks,
and I just didn't like the vibe. I don't know, maybe it seemed too Americanized. And then so we went like 3 minutes walking to the other side to Cocina del Navigante. But the thing with Dingy Docks is it's beautiful right on the water. Cocina del Navigante is like above, but I really like their food. We got the spicy crab. Once I knew there was spicy crab, I knew that that is for me. So we got spicy crab, mahi bites, and then to eat, I got the mahi mahi, and it was amazing. And Anthony got the special of the day, which was fish filled with shrimp. So definitely recommend that for dinner. I still wanted something sweet. There was only 2 ice cream places that I could find. One is rolled ice. I'm not a huge rolled ice fan. And the other one said they had soft serve, but when I got there, there's no soft serve and no frappes. So that was a little disappointing, but I ended up trying a bunch of flavors. I got chocolate chip cookie dough, and Anthony got an acai bowl. So also, if you're looking for an acai bowl, that is a good place to go, because again, there's not a whole lot of options, but those places were good. And this morning we're going to Black Flamingo Coffee, which is right down the street from us, super convenient. And then also our Jeep rental is right down the street, so gonna be super convenient, and I'll keep you updated on how it goes.
We just got back from breakfast and I wanted to give a last synopsis. So, Culebra is like Vieques, a beautiful island with beautiful beaches. Flamingo Beach was really extraordinary. However, if you are visiting Puerto Rico for, I would say, a week or less, I would stay on the mainland, as there's so many beautiful beaches and so much more to do and more restaurants. For example, this morning when we were looking for a restaurant for breakfast, basically Black Flamingo is the only one on the island. And it didn't have that many options, but was very good. It was good, and it was in walking distance from our place, which was amazing. But overall, there's not a lot of options. The places that we went to, I would definitely recommend. But yeah, that's it. That's what I think of Culebra. It's a beautiful island, but very touristy. A lot of vacationers, coming to see probably Flamingo Beach, like us. So make your decision, but I would stay on the mainland. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful to you. I will link our Airbnb and all of the information everywhere that we went below, so you have it. And let me know if you are visiting Culebra and what you do.